Pause the video and have a go at expanding the brackets for each of the following. Then restart the video where I will go through the solutions step by step. We look to what appears first in the brackets and we can see it's the A and the C. We multiply these two together and that will give us AC. We then refer to the outside, which we can see are the A and the plus D, and when they are multiplied together they give us plus AD. We then consider the inside, which is the plus B and the C. We multiply them together and that gives us plus BC. You then consider what's left to multiply, and it is the plus B and the plus D. You multiply those together and you get plus BD. So the process involved doing the first, the outside, the inside and the left, which spells the word FOIL. This is just a memory aid for this type of example. We consider the first in the brackets, which are the A and the C. When they're multiplied together, they give us AC. We then consider the outside, which is the A and the minus D. And when you multiply these together, they give you minus AD. You then consider the inside, which are these two, the plus B times the C. And of course, that will give you plus BC. You then consider what's left, and it is the plus B and the minus D. You multiply them together and this will give you minus BD. Of course, this expansion was achieved using a memory aid where we use the words first, outside, inside, left. And when you take the first letters of these words, they spell FOIL. And it's just a memory aid to help us expand brackets for examples like this.